Hello everybody, this is Meghalai Sendal Kumar, and today I'm going to show you how to add blogs or articles into the Local Bus Network featured listings. So now I'm going to show you the step by step of how to do that, and I'm just going into the Local Bus Network page, and you can see all the featured enterprise pack listings here, and I'm going to click on LBN Tech Solutions, which is the company where I have a wonderful profile which I have created. I've put it together using the do-it-yourself builder which we have created, and you can see all the features here, the events, the FAQs, the podcast, and you can see the article section. And here this is the section I'm going to talk about, where you can add new articles, how to add new articles. So first I sign in on the right hand side corner, and then I log into my dashboard. The dashboard, you can see it here, it has so many features. Click on features and you can see the drop downs, and you click on my blogs and you can see the existing blogs here. You can view, edit. Here I'm going to add new, and you come to this page where you can see the fields for adding a new blog. I have saved a blog already in Microsoft Word, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy paste from Word and post it here, post it as it is from Microsoft Word. So this section, you just have a blog summary, and this intro will go into the first view. So just make it catchy. So the pasted content is coming from a Microsoft Word document. Do you want to keep the format or clean it up? Use clean. Okay, so you can get all the elements which you have in the Word doc. If you have bolded it, it will be in bold here. So this intro is ready. Now I'm going to add an image. I've already saved an image, selected one and kept it here. So I'm just adding it here. And then I come to this, the intro part is over, then I come to the blog. So I go to my Word doc and I copy paste. Let me do the copy paste from the Word doc directly onto this box here. Since I've already written it down, it is so much easier instead of typing it here. So I'm just copy pasting it here. Yes, since it is from a Microsoft Word document, put clean, then all the elements just come up like that. How do skylights lower energy bills? See, it is in bold. Wonderful. And the solar tube, I have hyperlinked already in my Word doc. It is coming as hyperlinked here also. Fantastic. You can also use all the elements on top. You can bold it and you can left align, right align. You can also add more hyperlinks. Then you can add an image also. And here you can see me, I'm just adding an image here. And yes, here it is added. Next, going further down, I can choose a title. The title of this, how do skylights lower energy bills? That itself is pretty good. So I'm just going to put that as meta title. Meta titles are important because that's how people come and land on your page. Meta keywords also are important. So I've already saved the keywords in a Word doc, and I'm just going to copy paste from there and put it here. I'm going to paste it here. The meta description, that is a place where when it comes up on Google, people actually look at it and they will know what kind of content is there in this blog. So I've also written it down. So this gives a little blurb about what this blog is about. So it's a small blurb, it's important again, so make sure you get a good meta description written. And the next is canonical link. If you are going to pull it out from some other website, you have to add it here in the canonical link, okay, so that it doesn't come under plagiarism. And then once that, if you have not taken it, if you have written it on your own, you can just ignore it. Then so it is done, everything is done. So now you can just hit submit, verify a human, and then you can save the changes. Here you go. How do skylights lower energy bills? You can actually see it here. It is all saved here. Now you can actually view how it looks. Sometimes you may need to do some edits. Like for example, how do skylights lower energy bills? Twice it comes, so you can change the second headline into something, a better, keyword rich subtitle. Okay. And here you need a little more space. So you can go back to the editor and actually edit it, give space, it will be better. And you can go back to Local Bus Network, the home page, and you can actually see how the intro looks now. Remember, we had a little brief written for the intro, as well as we added a picture also. So now we are just going to see how the intro is come out, and you can see it here. Yes, here it is. So here also we need a little bit of editing. You can go back to the editor and move the spacing so that the text does not overlap. So you have just added a blog in your profile, the featured listing of your profile. It is so easy. You can just do it in 5 minutes to 8 minutes if you're already having a pre-written blog. So, and this blog will come up on searches, and yeah, it will be direct traffic into your profile. The more and more articles you add, the profile becomes richer and richer, and you can also share it with others, and people can comment and leave a comment on this blog too. So thanks for listening, and why don't you try it out today? Thank you.